Hi, welcome to Cynthia Global Travelers Realtor tips, tricks, words, and gifts for the month of December. I'm looking forward to spending the month with you and teaching you all kinds of new things and giving you gifts, which is what December is all about. So please stay with us. Once you get your word or your tip, then at the end, just like us and subscribe, and you'll continue to get the new words updated daily.
Day 6 of Cynthia's December Realtor Words for Thee. Today is credit report. Regularly tracking and monitoring your credit is very important to avoid potential identity theft. You are eligible to get a free credit report once a year from www.annualcreditreport.com, but there are plenty of other sites and services where you can check your credit score. Many credit card companies offer a free, regularly updated credit score to their customers. It's also a really good idea to check your credit score before applying for a significant loan like a mortgage. This can help you better understand what interest rates you may qualify for, or if you're maybe denied based on your credit. The information in your credit report has a huge impact on whether or not you qualify for a mortgage loan and what interest rate the lender will offer. The most widely used credit scores are FICO, F-I-C-O scores, which were developed by Fair Isaacs and Company Incorporated, and they're named after their inventor. Your FICO score is between 350, which is a high risk, and 850, which is considered low risk. 2 new FICO scores have been announced that will be made available by the end of 2020. One is FICO 10, and the second is FICO 10T, collectively known as the FICO Score 10 Suite. Contact me for more information about this and your free guide called Understanding Your FICO Score, and this will help you to learn more about FICO scores and how they affect your credit. Hey, I'm wearing this silly costume. The least you can do is hit subscribe below and join me for the rest of the videos.